So this is the bioenzyme and garbage enzyme compartments in our house. So we have kept around 6 cans of, this is the bioenzyme can, and we have garbage enzymes, the wet waste enzymes I would say. So these are the wet waste enzymes. So what we do is we fill the wet waste till here, maybe the quarter portion of this can, and then we add more of jaggery to it, around 2 handful of jaggery, and then you can add more of water to it, so that it comes till 3/4 of this can, and then you can leave it for a while, for around at least 3 months, so that the bioenzyme and garbage enzyme should be ready. So for the bioenzyme we don't add any more wet waste than the citrus peels. So the citrus peels or the musambi skin, orange skin, and lemon skin. So in our case we also get the whole fruit, and we cut the fruit and we have put it in this can. So this bioenzyme acts as a pesticide, and garbage enzyme acts as a fertilizer, as a nutrient for the plant. So after you add water, so these wet waste and these citrus peels would slowly go inside the can, so it won't float around like this. So these are the fresh peels. So after that what you can do is you can keep adding the wet. So thank you for watching. You can see my next vlog more about it.